And it's Build Forger, and this is where we were at last time. I thought we might have put this in a collection. I don't guess not. So I'll go ahead and hit M on the keyboard, new collection, and call it tree. Create. Okay, now that everything is there, select this category here, and I'm going to make myself a cone. So Shift A, mesh, cone. There we go. Yep. Did I say we were decorating the tree this time around? Let's go to front view. Okay. Then from here, I'm going to scale that on the Z-axis. Well, you know what? Before I do that, I'm going to go to the bottom. I'm going to Shift S, cursor to selected, and then come back out there. And we're going to set origin to 3D cursor. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back to front view. And that's about where we wanted it. The base, S, Z. Okay. And go ahead and go this way. And I'm going to go to point mode, grab everything here. So 1 again. And just move that over slightly. That way. And that looks about perfect. Okay. Back to 1 again. Tab. Grab one of these faces from face mode. So 3 on the keyboard. Grab face. Shift S. Cursor to selected. Come back out to object mode. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and grab the tree. And then I'm going to hit H on the keyboard. And then down here on the leaves, I'll select that and hit H on the keyboard. And then we got this here. We're going to go ahead and go back to front view. Shift A, curve. We're going to put in a path. Tab A, select all, delete. We're going to delete the vertices. Now we should be able to just draw on this. So we're going to draw on where we want the lights to go. Like we're doing strands of Christmas lights. But I think I'll work my way around from the bottom to the top, trying to go in a circular pattern. Maybe something kind of like this. And kind of like turn our oopsie doodles back. We want to select surface. I'll try that again. So I'm going to come around this way. Go ahead and rotate. Maybe come up just a little bit. Go around some. Around, then do rotate. Then draw some more in here. And then we'll just carry this on until we get to the top. Back up a little bit. Back up a little bit. Just keep going here. Zoom out some. Come up a little bit. Kind of like sweeping motions here. Maybe a little bit more quicker. Big tree, I guess. Takes a while to draw around the thing. So middle mouse to rotate and left click draw some more lines. These are all going to be the power cords where all the Christmas lights are going around. Apply that here in a minute. Keep going. Keep going. Up a little bit. Okay. And then we'll do Control Z for the last draw section. Undo that. Bring that up here a little bit more. Make sure we stay on the tree cone. going. More. Just going to go ahead and keep sweeping. Right up there. Right up the top. Maybe another dab over here. Do that. Try to keep that on the tree, like I said. Oh, undo that. That's getting a little bit hard there. And that should do it. Tab out of there. Then we can go ahead and select the cone, delete it, grab the curve that we just made, then come down to data properties, geometry, and then we're looking for another bevel. We're going to give our 0.002. Right click on there, convert to mesh. Then we're going to zoom out. Let's see, where'd my other stuff go? That's what I'm looking for. There it is. All that spinning around the tree got a little bit disorientated there. All right, so then we're going to grab, we got the lights thing here. I already convert that to mesh, convert to mesh. And then come over and shift click these lights, Control L. We're going to copy the modifiers. And now we should have the lights on there. Okay, and then we'll select the chain here, go down to materials. And materials, we're going to look for the chord green. Okay, and then we can bring the tree back and unhide the leaves with H, bring everything back. Okay, and we'll go back to these Christmas things here, Christmas lights. All right, we'll check out the particle system on that. And yeah, like we did, I think I discussed this earlier anyways, about this making these independent, because if you don't, they're gonna scale if we try to change anything here. So where is this? Mission for render object scale. See, yes, I want to scale that there. We're scaling over there. So we're just going to undo that. And this is to show you that we need to come back up the top and make sure we click this thing here like that. And then that becomes independent of the other one. So do something there. It's not going to happen over on the other stuff in the scene. And then I'm going to go ahead and increase the number of these. Okay. And we'll go ahead and change the scale. Let's see, how does that look? Well, actually, I don't know, maybe a little bit smaller than the other bulbs, or like that. You guys decide where you want to go with that. From here, I'm going to call that the end of this Christmas tree. It's got some lights on it. Or you can also add your own tops, other decorations. And I'm going to go ahead and start creating the asset package to decorate that building masterclass project from 3D Tutor that I was talking about to begin with. All right. Thank you for watching, and make sure to get a view on that turntable I make with the building all decorated with all these Christmas decorations. All right. Thanks again.